What if I tell you that Donald Trump was not born in America? Not in New York, not in the United States, but in India, Russia, Nigeria, or Italy. Wait, I'm not mad. An AI generated video has just turned that wild imagination into a viral reality. And the internet? It cannot stop watching it. At the center of all of this is US President Donald Trump, but not as you know him. This time he appears with new names, new clothes, new cultural makeovers, all powered by artificial intelligence. Let's talk about the Indian version here. Well, in India, he becomes Donald Trumper. Dressed in a sharp Jodhpuri coat, styled like a powerful Indian neta. The look, it is dramatic, polished, almost cinematic, and the social media, it is loving it. In Russia, he transformed into Dmitry Trumov, standing confidently in Red Square, serious expression, full Kremlin vibes. Well, Italy gives us Donaldo Trombi, smooth, stylish. Some viewers even joked that he looks ready to star in a spy thriller. In Nigeria, he becomes Donald Okorompa. This version is trending the most. People are calling it the funniest and most impressive edit. China has Dong Li Di Tolan. England features Sir Donald Trampfon. Each version, it reimagines him through local fashion, facial expressions, and cultural ethnicity. Same man, different world here. In fact, the video's simple question is this: what if Donald Trump was born somewhere else and not in the United States? And that curiosity has exploded across Instagram. Netizens are having a field day. In fact, one of them wrote that the Nigerian version got me rolling. Another one joked, so basically he looks better everywhere else. Someone else called it 50 Shades of Trump. It's funny, it is creative, it is meme-worthy, and it also shows something bigger. AI today, it can redesign identities in seconds, change appearances, change names, change context. A digital alternate universe, and that too built instantly.